Good morning, everyone. We will continue with the exercise 3.4. Question number 4. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other. First part, first part is bisect each other. We have to name the quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other. Then it can be a rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle, or square. These are the quadrilaterals. These are the possible quadrilaterals whose diagonals bisect each other. Got it? Second part. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Perpendicular bisectors is different thing and bisect each other is different thing. Okay? Perpendicular bisector means making an angle of 90 degree. And bisect each other, they are just cutting it, okay, with the midpoint. And a perpendicular bisector making 90 degree of angle, it is only possible in a square or rhombus. A quadrilateral whose diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other are rhombus or square. Next part is name the quadrilateral whose diagonals are equal. Whose diagonals are equal. It can only be possible in a square or a rectangle where diagonals are equal of length. We can say equal of length. Remember, it's a very nice question. It's a reasoning based question. Okay. Now see question number 5. Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral? Since its vertex are raised and both of its diagonals lies in its interior. A rectangle is a convex quadrilateral because its diagonals lies in its interior. The diagonals are lying in the interior of the image or of the quadrilateral. Question number 6. ABC is a right angle triangle and O is the midpoint of the side opposite to the right angle. Explain why O is the equidistance from ABC. It's totally a theoretical question. Now see, since two right triangles make a rectangle where O is equidistant from AB, C and D, just you have to draw a figure ABCD, okay, in which O is the midpoint of two diagonals of a rectangle. Draw a rectangle ABCD. You have to draw a rectangle. Remember, just keep this in mind. You have to draw a rectangle ABCD. Put a in which draw diagonals, and O is the midpoint of the diagonals. Okay. Since AC and AD are of equal diagonals or equal length, just now we have studied the quadrilateral which are equal in length. The quadrilaterals are which are equal in length. They have used rectangle here. In rectangle, quadrilaterals are of equal length. Okay, or equal diagonals we can say, since AC and AD are equal diagonals and intersect at midpoint, so O is the equidistance from AB and C. See, if a midpoint is O, the diagonal's midpoint is O, it's automatically it is equidistance from the point ABC, or you can say D also. Okay, you have to draw a rectangle. You have drawn a rectangle ABCD. Mark the diagonals. After marking the diagonals, O is the intersecting point. That particular intersecting point is the midpoint. That O is, if the O is the midpoint, then it is equidistant from the points A, B, C and D. Got it? Remember, you have to draw a rectangle in question number 6, and you can draw a rectangle. Okay, God bless you all of you. Complete this whole chapter now. Do some examples. I will be writing the examples, the examples which you have to do. I will be writing on WhatsApp only. Don't worry about that. Do those examples also. After that, this will finishes off with your chapter. God bless you all of you.